39. See now, this is already says spoiling. No, don't worry.
No, I'll fix. It's just a mistake. Now mistake they do, just not that nothing happened.
That back there.
Fancy shirt, I just say. I don't like that one, huh? Uncle, how much are they?
How much do you think?
800, no, if you carry out.
Like, seriously?
Hey guys, okay, so the first item is this bad boy here. Let me put this on so y'all can feel my trip. Guys, isn't this fire? What the hell? This is actually not something I would ordinarily buy, but I'm telling you, these frames are. I got this for 400. Yeah. So something else I got was this bag. This is just what it looks like. It has this picture, but it's so strong. And then it has this apple things on it. It's a black small bag. It comes with a strap as well. This is what the inside looks like here. And that's what it looks like. Well, if you take that out, that's what the inside looks like. I think it's a good size bag, really. Yeah, I got this bag for 1.5. The original price was 2.8, but I got it for 1.5. So yeah. Now another thing I got was the slippers. I really like them. During the vlog, I had it in. I saw it in black and this color, and I tried to go with this because I don't have something this color, and I just thought it would be nice, and I really like it. So I bought this for 800. It's originally sold for 1.5, but I got this for 800. So yeah. Something else I got was this top. I actually really like this top, like I really do. It has like little like blouse here and there, but honestly it's fine. So just like an off-shoulder blouse, and then it has like stretchy elastic. I'm sorry my voice is a little wonky, I have something at the end right there. And this shirt went for 170, but I got it for 1. So yeah, this pair of jeans, you guys. I think this pair of jeans was my most surprising purchase because I don't know, I expected it to be very expensive. But I got long jeans. They're actually really long. That's the back. You guys, I bought this jeans for 1.5. I expected it to be like 4K, honestly, but it was really inexpensive. And The original price was 1.7, or like I think that's what person told me. But I got it for 1.5. But then I went to another shop. In case I got this one, and the guys they sold theirs for 1.5, which means I could have gone lower, but I didn't know. So for next time. But yeah, I really love this jeans. So nice. And that was all I got for Friday. Honestly, I don't know the math, but I'll put the math on the screen for you guys to know how much I spent for. I really have fun with this video. Honestly, I think I could have got something a little bit more for not less. But it just depends. Like, if you see, the places I shops are like inside shops. If you go to like under umbrella or like, you get it to be much cheaper. But you know, we'll make this video again, so yeah. But anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm sorry I'm sounding really tired. Today this was a very long day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to know when I upload a new video. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.